Are you listening to your daughter?
Mommy, I want green.
Watch. Okay, who's that?
A bus?
Look. Who's that?
A bus.
Who's that?
Fish.
Which one do you want?
A bus. Mommy. Cheese. Stuck. Mommy is stuck. Pop, Mommy is stuck.
Oh yeah, all the bubbles go towards me now.
Mommy, I need to tell you something.
What you need to tell me?
Stuck. Thanks.
They won't drink it, will they?
Oh, watch it.
Pop.
Blow.
Pop.
Blow. Go. Blow it, blow it, blow it. He wants to pop. She likes to blow him.
A bit.
Here, Anna, baby.